Good morning, everyone. This morning we are going to go into a kind of novel, holistic subject. Subject is about Archimedes, 212 BC, 200 years before Jesus Christ, means 2200 years ago. Archimedes was a Greek and he was one of the best, one of the most literati and glitterati kind of thinker, philosopher, scientist, mathematician. He has contributed a lot in physics, chemistry, and good deal of contribution in mathematics as well. He has said, "Give me the longest lever and strongest probe, and I will turn this universe around." What is the connotation of that? The connotation, the meaning of this is that give me the longest lever and the strongest probe, meaning give me the best kind of education that no one has gotten possibly. The best, one of the kind, unique, unprecedented education. If I get, then I'm going to turn this universe around single-handedly. He's emphasizing the force of education, the power of education, the might of education, the potential and the prowess of education. In this quotation, he has said that if you have education, you can not solve your earthly problems. You not only solve your economic problem, not only solve your job-related problem, but you can actually turn the whole world around. That is the force of education, but quality education. Not Indian education, we are not talking about it. We are talking about, or he was talking about, Harvard education or Oxford education. So, I have actually created 5 points to elaborate this legend's thinking, this legend's insight, this legend's knowledge, his outlook about education, emphasis on education, etc. Point number 1 is, education for this legend is the most powerful Excalibur. According to Archimedes, nothing in the world is more forceful, more potent, more potential, more with prowess, more with power than education. If you have education, you have everything. You can rule not only the world, but you can rule the universe and the multiverses. That is the force of education according to Archimedes, that if you have it, you can turn the whole universe around single-handedly, without any kind of glitch, without any kind of hiccup, without any kind of regurgitation. Number 2, Archimedes regards quality education as the most formidable force. According to this legend, this mathematician, this wizard of chemistry and physics, he has said that most formidable force on this planet or in the universe is not thermal energy, no solar energy, no wind energy, no tidal energy, no black energy, no terawatt energy that Moon and Mars has. All our energies are subservient, totally subservient to the energy that the person gets from a formidable education, quality education, one-of-a-kind education, unprecedented education. We can say Castilian spring, or longest lever and the strongest probe. That kind of education is the most forceful thing, most formidable thing, most powerful thing, most with prowess and potential. Number 3, he maintains that this world cannot become utopia by only simple education. According to Archimedes, if you want to make this world utopia, then you can make it only by education, quality education, absolute education, supreme education, one-of-a-kind education, unequivalent education, that is only the thing that makes this world utopia. Otherwise, this world is today dystopia, and it is going to slip into dystopia even more as the time goes by. So if you want your world to be utopian world, then proliferate education. Don't proliferate only economy. Never proliferate disdain. Never proliferate hatred. Never proliferate grapevine. Never proliferate all futile things, all mundane things, all inanities and banalities, but proliferate quality education with quantity. Point number 4. Education for him is the strongest plate and the longest magic wand. He thinks that whatever he is because of the education. He got the best kind of education from his educators and educationists who did not leave any stone unturned, providing him, imparting him, instilling him best of the best Castilian spring, longest liver and strongest prop. That is the best quality of education. He has given this metaphor. Point number 5. Eureka. Eureka. Well, thinkers always think. Philosophers always think. They actually first make progress in their thinking, in their imagination, in their hypothesis. And after that, they actually work practically. Now, Archimedes was confused, totally perplexed about certain things. And he was thinking and thinking and thinking, and he thought so much that he almost became absolutely frustrated. He could not get the answer of his question. Then one day he was taking bath in the tub, and the idea struck to him. Answer actually came to him, and he was so glad, so thrilled, so excited that he screamed, Eureka! Eureka means I have found it. In Greek language, Eureka means I have found it. He found what he was thinking about, what he was trying to find for a long period of time, which he could not get. He was frustrated, disappointed, discontented, absolutely bitter about his ideas and thought. He thought that he was incompetent, absolutely not worthy of that idea. But all of a sudden, in the bathtub, he found the answer, and he screamed from the top of his lungs, Eureka! Means I have found it. And he got out of the tub, he ran into the street, absolutely stark naked, not wearing anything, and he's screaming, Eureka! 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 I have found it. And I have found it, what I was looking for. And this was Archimedes in 212 before Christ, who has given the best metaphor to education, which is the strongest prop and longest lever. That is what we should actually aim for. That is what we should hunt for. That is what we should target for. That should be our culmination point. That should be our goal, our objective. And that must be our ultimate destination. Longest lever and strongest prop. Thank you very much for listening. See you again next time. Until then, God bless everyone on this planet. Amen. Don't lose it. Use it. Never lose it. Fools always lose. And smart always use. See you again.